Hey everybody, welcome to the Horner Center here at Hanover College. My name's John Miller. I'm the men's basketball coach, and I'm coming to you today from outside the Bob and Beth Baylor varsity locker room suite. And I'm going to have a chance today to give you a tour of the new Hammond-Brunk men's basketball locker room. So come on in with me and let's take a look around. Okay, so I'm excited to show you the first part of our locker room improvements, and this here is our players' lounge. And so this area was really important to us. We wanted to create a space where our players could spend time together. Maybe that's in breaks during their classes, maybe it's before or after practice. And so we've really hooked the guys up with some stuff. Television here on the wall. They can catch games on ESPN, they can be on YouTube, hanging out watching games together. We do have a segment here we call our accolade wall, where we recognize our former All-Americans, academic All-Americans, conference players of the year, and we recognize our great teams, and there's been a number of them luckily here at Hanover. And then of course one part that we really are excited about, which we think really pops, is this new LED Panther logo. And we're just fired up about this space, fired up that our players are going to have a chance to really spend some great time together in here. Now here we are in kind of the heart and soul of our locker room, where this is just a really important part of our basketball program, our basketball family. A lot of tradition here at Hanover over the years, and so we've really tried to incorporate some of the words that have always been important to our basketball family on the walls here. We've talked about the word tradition. There's a lot of that here, and doing things as a team, doing things together, doing things with a certain amount of toughness. And so things that have always been a part of the Hanover basketball program, the Hanover basketball family. I'm excited for this space. An area where we celebrate big wins together, and things don't go our way, we try to figure out how to be better in here as well. Got some things that the guys are really going to think are pretty cool. In each locker, they've got a digital way to secure their stuff up top inside that compartment. Each guy's got 2 USB ports and 2 outlets to charge phones or devices during practice. We've got our Bluetooth stereo. Guys can sync their phones up with the stereo in the ceiling and listen to music, get the vibe right, kind of get ready to go, whether it's a practice day or a game day. We also have our video projector in the ceiling. Drop down a screen to watch some of our scouting video in here. So really, we feel like a tremendous space for our guys to be together and for us to get done what we need to get done. All right, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our new Hammond-Brunk men's basketball locker room. And I would just like to take a quick second to say thank you to the people that made this possible. Jim Hammond and Joe Brunk were 2 tremendous players here at Hanover. Both graduates of Southport High School, both now Hanover Hall of Fame members that left us way too soon. The friends, their families, their teammates that stepped up to the plate to make this space possible for current and future Hanover players is something really special. And I'd also like to add in the Baylor family as well. Their love for Hanover, their love for Hanover athletics. Mrs. Beth Baylor, who's on our board of trustees now, and her late husband Bob are just awesome, and we thank them for the work that they did not only for men's basketball but for some of our other sports as well. And so really excited to get this place up and going. Again, thank you for joining me, and go Panthers.